Hey, what's up, ladies? Welcome back for another video. And if you're at the Huck's World, today we got a nice, awesome watch face for you. I know you thought I forgot about you, but I have not. Now, this is a nice butterfly watch face that's called GPG, Digital 21. I like the look. I thought you would too. I thought the developer did a really good job with the detailing of this watch face as well. It has a nice HD look. It looks super awesome in the AOD mode. And you're going to get everything that you need out of a watch face. Now, it is not interactive. It's not going to show you your steps, but it's still good for everyday wear. Now you're going to get your battery percentage at the top, you're going to get your date, you're going to come down to the bottom, and you're going to get your digital time. Now the analog hands are kind of small, so the digital time is going to really take care of you. I don't think it's a deal breaker at all, and you get a nice smooth second hand. If you can see the red tip going around the bezel of the watch to your left. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below, ladies. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, I'll see you all at the next video. Enjoy your fun day Sunday, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.